In this video, I'm building a harness to adapt my factory Fox Body dash wires to the digital dash controller for the Dakota Digital. Now, a lot of modern dashes have either similar controllers or they simply have a plug that you would wire into on the back of the dash. So this should apply to any digital dash install. I've already planned out all the wiring. I know the number of wires I need. And one key thing I want to cover real quick is on the Fox Body Mustang, the original dash runs the alternator wire through the dash. Now, unfortunately, the resistance in that light is actually an important part of the alternator charging system. So in order to replicate that resistance with a digital dash, you have to put a resistor in place. So we will be also wiring in this resistor. So I'm gonna go over the components real quick and then we'll get started with our wiring. I have all my tools, have my wire, my clips. First things first, I have these custom 3D printed adapter clips so that I don't have to cut any of my existing dash wiring, just in case I ever want to go back to an original dash. Leave a comment below if this will be something you'd be interested in, because I would be willing to run a batch of these. They will be significantly cheaper than anything that's currently on the market because they're fully serviceable and they're very cheap to print. I also have my pins for the custom 3D printed connectors. And the connector pin retainers were designed around using this type of pin. This is just a standard pin you can get off Amazon. We have some 18 gauge wire. Obviously our Dakota Digital dash module. This is what Dakota uses. We will wire all of the wires into this module. And then this module is what's going to actually send the signals to the dash to display the readings. We also have some wire crimpers, wire strippers. These make life a lot easier. And some scissors and some electrical tape. I'm going to take a look at my diagram here and we're going to start adding pins to our first connector. Okay, so we have our two adapter harnesses now. Only 2 wires on this plug and only 4 on this plug. And here is our resistor for the alternator wires. So this is simulating the factory dash bulb resistance. So the wire will just pass through here and go back to the wiring in the engine bay. The next step is going to be connecting these to our Dakota Digital control unit. And for some other dashes, they also have control units, or you connect these to a plug that would then plug into the back of the digital dash. In our case, we're only going to be using a few of these, and I already have the diagram here of what we're actually using and which pin it is on our connectors. So let's go ahead and get these wired up and then we'll be done.